What's cracking, guys? Today's problem of the day is brought to you by Tide. Tide. If it's got to be clean, it's got to be Tide. Alright, guys, let's go ahead and take a look at today's problem. The Pink Panther let the crows eat some corn. They ate 80 pieces. The Pink Panther said this was 4/5 of all the corn that he had total. How much corn did the Pink Panther have in total? Alright, guys, it's that time. It's time for you to go ahead and pause the video here so that you can solve the problem. Once you finish solving the problem, go ahead and press that play button, and I'll go over the answer for you. Alright, welcome back, guys. It is time to go over the answer to this bad boy. Let's go ahead and open up our notes, guys, and take a look at what we can do here today. Alright, the first thing I'm going to do, guys, is I'm going to grab my pencil, and I'm going to make sure I've grabbed a pink one, guys, because today is a Pink Panther problem. Now, it says that the crows ate 80 pieces of corn, 80 ears of corn, and 80, the Pink Panther said, is equal to 4/5 of all that he had. So what I need to do, guys, is draw a picture of 4/5 using my denominator of 5, guys, because the denominator, like I've been saying, tells us how many slices we need to have in total. So I'm going to go ahead and draw my picture, guys. I'm going to draw one bad boy there, boom. One there, boom. One there, boom. One there, boom. Alright, guys, and then going back to the denominator, we said it is 5, so I need to go ahead and make sure I have 5 sections. So, boom, 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 that's 3, boom, 4, 5. So we have 1/5, 1/5, 1/5, 1/5, and 1/5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 equal sections. Perfect, guys. We are good to go. All right. The next step, guys, is that 80 is 4/5. So 4/5, guys, we're talking about this fifth plus this fifth. That's 2, 3, and 4. If I add all of those together, guys, that gives me 80. It's not 80 in each, all right? It's 80 altogether. So, guys, I don't want to draw 80 X's, all right? I just don't, because that just takes up a lot of time. So what can I do instead? Well, if you said divide, guys, you are correct. Dividing will make this a lot faster, and it'll make you a lot happier, guys. So I'm going to go ahead and divide, guys, divide 80, and that is going to make this a lot faster. So I'm going to be dividing 80 by 1, 2, 3, and 4. 80 divided by 4 because I have 4 sections that need to have 80 divided evenly into them, guys. Alright, so that's what we're doing. I'm going to go ahead and grab my pink pencil again, guys. Maybe a lighter pink this time. And I'm going to do 80, and I'm going to do divided by, this logo is a divided by sign. Now, 80 divided by 4, guys, the way I do this is I start right here, and I say what times 4 equals 8. And I know that 2 times 4 equals 8. So 2 times 4. So 2 times 4 equals 8. And I subtract. 8 minus 8 is 0. I bring down my 0. What times 4 equals 0? That is 0, guys. All right. And I have nothing left over. So my answer, my quotient, is 20. Quotient being the answer to a division problem. So I'm going to go ahead and put 20 in each of these sections. 20, 20, 20, and 20. All right, guys, now here is the key part. If those other sections are 20, if the other fifths are 20, what will this fifth be? That's right, guys. It's going to be 20 as well. Why? Because all of the fifths are equal, right? Fifths are equal sections. So if these guys are 20, guys, that means this guy right here is 20 as well. All right, guys, so you know what I have now? I have 5 20s, 5 20s, 5 times 20, guys. What does that equal? Well, if I cover up this 0 right here and don't think about it, 5 times 2 is 10. And then if I think back to that 0, guys, we had a 0 there. And I'm going to attach that bad boy to the end here. So I need to make sure that I get 100. All right, so I'm going to write it in yellow because corn is yellow, hopefully. Well, actually, there's some corn that's not. But anyways, how many ears of corn did he have in total to sell? Pink Panther had 100 ears of corn in total. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's problem of the day. Tune in tomorrow for another exciting episode. We'll see you then.